तो चलिए इस मैटर को अब हम लिखते हैं 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड पे। 1, 2, 3, स्टार्ट। I welcome this opportunity which has been provided by Honorable House to discuss this statement which I made the other day before the Honorable Members of Parliament. Stop. I welcome this opportunity for two reasons. Stop. Firstly, it gives me an opportunity of removing some misgivings which are entertained by my colleagues of this House. Stop. At the same time, it will also give me an opportunity to clarify some of the details of this statement which I have made before this House. Stop. Before doing that, I would like to make a few observations, and these are that some of the honorable members have expressed the views that so far as the matter of food is concerned, it has to be treated as a national problem. Stop. I do agree with those honorable members who have suggested that so far as this problem is concerned, let us have a national outlook and let us not bring politics into it, and let us try to see how we can overcome two difficulties with which we are faced, how we can make food available to our people at a reasonable price, and how we can help in the increased production of food grains and cereals and other commodities so that we may not have to face this kind of difficulty in the future. Stop. The second thing which I would like to point out that I think the time has come when we should be clear in our mind that this is not because of preconceived ideas or ideology that we had placed a certain policy before this House and before the country last year. Stop. We thought that the policy of takeover would help us in having an effective control over the surplus so that there may be no scope for speculators on the one hand and there may be no distortion of prices on the other hand, and it may be possible for us to provide the food grains which are the essential commodities for the existence of our people at a reasonable price to our people and particularly the vulnerable sections of the society. Stop. That was the main objective or idea underlying this policy. Stop. So far as procurement is concerned, that was a procedure in order to implement that particular policy. Stop. Today, when some people say that we have reversed our policy or that we have surrendered our policy, I do not agree to such a view. Stop. So far as my friend Mr. Misra is concerned and so far as my friend Mr. Madhu is concerned, they did not expect much good out of the policy which we have enunciated this time, but they have not told us that what is the better policy which can serve the objective which we have placed before ourselves. Stop. Now, sir, I would like to point out one thing. Stop. There is no question of surrender and there is no question of reversal in our policy. Stop. I can reiterate and emphasize that so far as this government and our party are concerned, we accept the socialist path as the proper path for the purpose of development and progress of this country. Stop. We are very clear about this. Stop. We shall pursue this path. Stop. We have to change the emphasis from time to time and we may have to change the direction from time to time. Stop. But we hope that the goal that we have set before ourselves will be achieved in the long run. Stop. Now there is a question before us. Stop. Why did the policy was not a success? Question mark. I can give you a number of reasons for this. Stop. One of the main reasons that why the policy had failed is that the honorable members had created such a psychology in the country, and on the basis of which it was not possible for us to obtain products from the cultivators stop. I would like my honorable friend to realize the situation stop. It is not possible for the farmers to earn their livelihood from farming alone, as they do not have the facilities to grow crops throughout the year in every area. Stop. They remain idle for several months in a year. Stop. How can they meet their family expenses they when they have no work? Question mark. In order to generate employment as well as purchasing power, the government should create jobs. Stop. In this connection, I would like to stress on dairy development. Stop. If the rural people get facilities like loan to buy good variety of cows and buffaloes, and also some help under the centrally sponsored scheme, they will be able to produce milk and milk products. Stop. Therefore, I ask the government of India to pay adequate attention to promote dairy in different parts of the country. Stop.